Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the OCIF Staking. The testing event just started today from InvArch. If you are new to this channel, I'm going to share my personal experience. And so if you are not familiar with InvArch network, I made a video before to cover their dual token economy and also the OCIF in more detail. I will post a link below the video as well, so you can check that one. And so today they just released the OCIF staking. So this is a testing event. All of you can participate, and I'm going to show you in this video how to use the JS wallet. In their official tutorial, they use the Tennisman. It's also a wonderful wallet. I highly recommend. If you haven't tried that, you can take a look. And so first of all, you need to be a verified member in InvArch Discord. So the link is there. I will post the link as well. And then after that, you are going to get some testing token from their Discord. I will show you how to do that. And then you need some fees. You need to explore the DApp. And that's it. That's pretty much what you need to do. They said you can claim rewards, you can restaking, but of course those are all testing. So this is the link. I will post the link of the DApp. So go to the Tinknet. You can see that like here you can connect your JS account. So I already connect to my JS account. Go to the JS account, copy the address, and then you can come back to the Discord. In the Discord, there is the tutorial show you how to claim the testing token. It's very easy. Just type /fund wallet, and once you type that, you can just type fund, I think fund, and then you can click this one, and then put your address. So put the address, and it will just take a little bit time. It will send you the testing token. So those are the testing Tinker token. So you can see that now on the website. Now I have 500 Tinker. If you just click stake, sometimes it didn't show up, but don't worry, you just need to wait a little bit longer time. And so now it says you don't have the balance. Refresh, and then you should be able to see that now I have a 500, right? And then I can stake. So you can put whatever amount you want to stake for different project. So here I just stake 200 for the Eurodollar to support Eurodollar, and then the WAG media I'm going to put 200 as well. And then now after you stake that, you can click manage staking to manage your staking. So here you can unstake, but if you unstake, it will take 7 days for unbundling. So I tried like 10 just as a demo, just show you what happened. So I put 10. Now you can see the your stake now is 190, and you can do the rest. So I already stake all of my testing token. I keep a little bit for the fee. So now my total stake is 480. There is a current error is 1, because each day you will increase by 1, and you can claim the rewards. However, like you have to wait. Maybe tomorrow you can come back. My question is, did you plan to participate? I will post this the poll on the Twitter, and please vote. And I want to know how many of you are interested in this OCIF staking. I'm personally very excited about this OCIF staking. I want to try the new technology from InvArch and see what kind of projects I can support, and also my experience on the DApp is quite smooth. It's very easy to use. And so leave your comments if you have any suggestions or any questions. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.